Hi everyone, as you would see on INZ's website, students can bring their family to New Zealand. Students can support visas for their partners and children, but the type of visa they can support would depend on the qualification they are studying. Whether you are applying for a visitor visa, a work visa, a student visa, the duration of their visa will be the same as your own student visa. So I'll be discussing all the info from INZ that you need to know about bringing your family if you have a New Zealand student visa in this video. If you have a New Zealand work visa, then click the link that should be popping up somewhere on the top. If the link is not showing, check the description box for the link to that video. So who can support visas for family? All students can support visitor visa for their partner and children. I'll use spouse and partner interchangeably in this video. When I say support, it means their partner and children can apply for this visa based on their relationship, and you must prove that relationship. Check out this video where I discussed how INZ defines family. Once again, all students can support visitor visa for their partner and children. They can visit you while you are studying in New Zealand. For children, it will be the child of a student visitor visa. For partners, it will be partner of a student visitor visa. Where conditions come in is when you are looking to apply for a work visa for your partner or student visa for your dependent child. Work visa will allow your spouse to work in any occupation and for any employer in New Zealand, while student visa would allow your dependent child to study at any primary or secondary school in New Zealand. The work visa is called partner of a student work visa, and you don't need to have a New Zealand job offer to apply. While the student visa is called dependent child student visa, and your child will study as a domestic student like I mentioned in the other video, so check it out. However, your dependent child will be eligible for this student visa only if you on the student visa is enrolled in a Doctor of Philosophy program in a New Zealand university. So you have to be a PhD student, or you are in New Zealand for an approved student exchange scheme, or you have a New Zealand Aid Program scholarship. And this excludes short-term training scholarships or English language training for official scholarships. If you meet this condition, you can also apply for a work visa for your partner. But if you don't meet this condition and you are studying any level 9 or 10 qualification, or an eligible level 7 or 8 qualification. This just means any of this qualification that is on the green list, or qualification eligible for a post-study work visa. If you don't have any of these, you can only support a visitor visa for your partner and dependent children and a work visa for your partner. So you see that you cannot support your dependent children's student visa if you are not a PhD student or any of the other conditions. But there is a way you can still bring your dependent child on a student visa. However, you would require a member of your family, and that person is your spouse. If your partner applies for a work visa as a partner of a student, then they could support your student visa for your dependent children. Here's what it will look like. You apply for a student visa, your partner applies for a work visa as a partner of a student, your children then apply for student visas as dependent children of your partner who has a work visa. It sounds complex, but it really isn't. All you need is to get your partner on board and willing to move, which could be the hardest part of all of this. If you are studying for any other qualification, you can only support visitor visas for your family. That's all about bringing family to New Zealand if you have a student visa. I hope you found this helpful and useful. Do like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Until next time, I'm the Sassy Engineer. Ciao.